Hello friend, we already see how we can create a new window with the help of window.open, and after that we provide some parameter. Now we will see how we can move that window with the help of moveBy and moveTo method. Okay, for example, if we create a window B with the help of window A, and after that we want to move this by 100 pixel from top and 100 pixel from left, we can do with the help of moveBy method and moveTo method. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement this. Okay, now we will see how we can practically implement moveTo method first. Okay, for that we have to create a button. I just first use BR tag for spacing purpose, and after that I create a button, and here I provide move button, and after that I here provide click event on click, and here I use move function, and after that round bracket, and I just copy this name and provide the functionality here. First you can see we store the open window function. When I click, you can see the open window of YouTube. Okay, now this is stored in a variable my window. Okay, we use that variable here, use function, and after that I paste the function name, then round bracket, and then curly bracket, and I use my window dot move to, and here we have to provide two parameters, left and right. I just use 100, 100. Now after that I provide semicolon. Now let's save. When I click, you can see it is open. Okay, when I click here, you can see it will not move. It is not moving 100 pixels from top and 100 pixel from left. Why? Because I'll show you the error. What is the error? You can see uncaught DOM exception, block a frame with origin. Okay, it means we cannot move any window of any URL, that is like YouTube, Google, and so on. So that we have to just remove this URL, and I just provide a blank, and after that I provide a text with the help of my window dot document dot write, and here we provide p tag. After that I just provide some text. This is new window. Okay, now after that I just save, and here when I click, you can see this is open. When I click here, you can see it move 100 from top and 100 from left. Okay, I just decrease the size of this. I 300 and 300. Now let's save. Now after that you can see it work fine. When you click here, another window is created. When you click here, it moved to here. Okay, you can clearly see you can create so many new windows. Okay, I just cut, and after that we see moveBy method. For that you have to understand this image. First of all, we have this image. When we use moveTo method, it take from the distance from the top. For example, if we provide 100 and 100, it take. Okay, when we provide by default left and top, here you can see when I provide top and left 50-50 pixel, you can see when I click, and after that when I click move, it move 100 pixel only. If here I provide 100, for example, you can see there is no difference. If I provide 100 and here also 100, now let's save. When I click, you can see it take 100 and 100. When I move, you can see nothing is happened. Why? Because it is already 100 pixel. It not move 100 pixel from left and right. But when we provide here moveBy, now let's save. When I click, you can see it is 100 pixel here and 100 pixel here. When I click on move, you can see now it is 200 pixel from here and 200 pixel from here. Okay, this is the main difference between moveTo and moveBy method. So that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.